know the differences in doing laundry across different eras? Ancient times, lime or plant ash mixed with oil was used, which generally had moderate cleaning ability, and was inconvenient. Industrial Revolution, soap became convenient to use and carry, with added fragrances for a better user experience. 20th century, specialized agents like chlorine bleach, synthetic detergents, anti-wrinkle agents, and fabric softeners were introduced. These provided detailed functionalities, but synthetic detergents were not environmentally friendly. 21st century, biodegradable detergents became popular, offering cleanliness and being more eco-friendly. Contemporary era, laundry sheets using recycled materials and eco-friendly packaging are becoming the new trend. They are clean, more environmentally friendly, more convenient, and the packaging is eco-friendly. Yes, it is inevitable that detergents become more convenient and environmentally friendly. So, how advanced is your detergent now?